So this is the My Glam product box, and these are all the lipsticks that I am having. Not only lipsticks, there are even more. So the first thing that we have are these two cards or these two coupons where they have gifted you 250 rupees on purchase of 9.99 and above, and also there is a QR code which you can scan, which your friends can scan. Let's see the products now. The first product here is the eyeshadow palette. So this was the cover which I already opened. This is My Glam Manish Malhotra 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette, and the price of it is printed 1850. I don't know if it is visible or not, but yeah, the price is 1850. And this is the eyeshadow palette, which looks very classy. The packaging is amazing, and here is the eyeshadow palette. The only bad thing about it is it does not come with any applicator, but the packaging is A-class. Let's go into the next product. The next product here is this Manish Malhotra metallic chalks. Now the price of it, this one is 890, and the shade is in Rose Radiance. This is the metallic chalk. It's in pink in color, and this is probably for your eyes as well as lips and cheeks, etc. Okay, next, the third product is this Molten Matte Metallic Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade 05 Bia. The price of this one is 645 rupees. As you can see, it's mentioned here. So let's check what is the color like. Okay, so the color is like a purplish tone, and it has a shimmer in it. The next one is My Glam Jet Set Eyes Kajal and Eyeliner. The shade here is, again, it's Brune, and the price here is 750. So let's open it up and see. So yeah, this is the kajal, and here is the brown color of the kajal, which is very pretty according to me. I like the color. The next one is K-Play flavored lipstick. Okay, this is K-Play flavored lipstick, and the shade is, I don't think it's focusing, it's Berry Blast. Okay, and the price is, again, it's 545 rupees. Let's see the color, how it is. See, the packaging is so pretty. Here the color is like this. It's a purplish color, which is very, very pretty, guys. The next one is My Glam Stay Defined Liquid Eyeliner plus HD Brow Powder, which is, again, pretty enough. And let's see, the price is 1095 as it's written here, and the shade is Walnut and Ebony. The shade is Walnut and Ebony. Let's see the shades now. Wow, packaging is very pretty. Here it's written, it is the liquid eyeliner, and this side is the brow powder, which is you have to open it like this. See, so this is the eyeliner, and this is the powder. The next one is this Manish Malhotra. What is this? Okay, this is Manish Malhotra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Eyes on Me. The price of this one is 995. I think I forgot to say the price of the earlier one, the eyeshadow one. It is 1095. Yeah, I think I said it. Fine. So this one is for 995 rupees, and the shade is Eyes on Me. Let's see. Wow, the packaging of this Manish Malhotra lipsticks and products, all the products are A class, to be very honest. Let's open it. So this is the color. It's kind of a reddish maroon color, which is like my favorite color. So yeah, I like it. The next one is again of Manish Malhotra. This one is soft matte lipstick. Okay, let's see. Okay, the shade name is Pink Passion and the price is 950 rupees. See, the packaging is something which will impress you at once. And the one more thing, it has a magnetic close and opening cap. The color is a pink color, basically, because of course the name is Pink Passion. And see, it closes. It has a magnetic open and close button. The next one is, so I hope you can understand, there are so many products, so many. I have used here a lot of it, as you can see already, and so many are still left, and all are just for free. You just have to pay rupees 99. And how you have to do is just you have to refer your friends. So what is this? This one is My Glam Precision Eyeliner and Stylish. The shade is Dramatic and the price of it is 895 rupees. So yeah, this is the eyeliner, basically the black eyeliner which I have ordered. You get, one thing is very beautiful about it is that since even though it is rewards and you do not have to pay just for free, you get to choose the shades of whatever product you are taking. So this is My Glam Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil. Now this is in the shade On Fleek and the price is 445 rupees. So let's check out the shade now. This is the eyeliner. The shade is golden, as you can see. It's a golden shade, a shimmer eyeliner or a kajal. The next one is, this is the Lit Lipstick, Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick, which you have to order first. I will say you the details. So this is in the shade Snack and the price is 395 rupees. So this is the shade, which is a burnt orange shade, which I absolutely love. The next one is, this My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick. The packaging is so pretty. Just look, it would be a very nice thing to gift your loved ones. The shade name is 01 Fury and the price is 699 rupees. So let's see the shade and the inside packaging as well. Okay, it's not coming out. Okay. So just look at the packaging, guys. Just look at the packaging. It's very pretty. Okay, it opens like a pen cap and here is the color. This is a brown shade, a chocolate color shade, which is very, very beautiful. The next is this My Glam Lip and Eye Sparkles. So let's check out what's the price of this one. The price is 445 rupees and the shade is Regina. Okay, the shade is Regina and the price is 445 rupees. Let's open it. It comes in a very cute little dibba and just need to open it. Okay, I am not opening it, but as you can see, it's a golden sparkle, which is very pretty. You can use it for your eyeshadow glitters. The next up is this My Glam Lit Creamy Matte Lipstick. The shade is Tom Collins and the price is 595 rupees. this is the packaging, and this is how it looks. The color is again a brownish nude color. Very pretty, very pretty. Next one is again this My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Micro Cheating. The price is 395 rupees. This is also a brown color, which is a light brown color, and it looks very good. The next one is My Glam Liquid Lipstick again. The shade is Cuffing. The price is 395. I absolutely love this shade, I'm sure. See? This is a wine color. The next one is My Glam Lit Matte Lip Liner Pencil. The shade is 10 Steez. Steez is the name of the shade, and the price is 445 rupees. Here is the lip liner. Okay, so this is the color of the lip liner, which is a brown shade, nude shade rather. Which is very, very nice. It will go well with my skin tone. The next up is My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Submarining, and the price is 395 rupees. This is also a wine shade, a dark wine shade. See, this is a violet rather, not even a wine, the dark violet shade. Next one is Manish Malhotra Glitter Eyeliner. The shade is Dazzle, and the price is 850 rupees. This is a glitter eyeliner. Let's check it out. I love this black packaging. So yeah, this is a bronzish glitter eyeliner. I suppose I'll just give a swatch here. As you can see, it's a bronzish, golden bronzish color. Next one is Manish Malhotra High Shine Lip Gloss. The shade is Rose Lustre, and the price is almost gone. I myself cannot make out. I think it's 1050. I cannot make out the price from here. This is the packaging, and this is the shade, which is Rose Lustre. This is a lip gloss. The next one is My Glam Pose HD Lipstick. The shade is Raspberry, and the price is 599 rupees. Packaging is very classy, very, very poppy also. So here is the color. It's a dark pink shade. Very pretty. The next one is My Glam Powder Eyeshadow Stick and Liner. Now this is something which is very useful. The shade Gold Mine, and the price is 950. This is something which I wanted since a long time. This is an eyeshadow in the form of a pencil, like eyeshadow pencil. So this is the shade here. It's a golden glittery eyeshadow. It is very useful. You can just it saves a lot of time. I have ordered this twice, in two shades. This is the one shade, and the next shade is this one, which is Aquamarine. Aquamarine is the shade name, and the price is again 950. The color is almost like a turquoise green color. See, turquoise blue, bluish green color. It's very pretty and very, very time saving. The next one is Manish Malhotra Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is also in the shade Aura, and the price is 995 rupees. Okay. The packaging again of this one is very classy and very, very pretty. This is a liquid lipstick. So yeah, this is the color. Maroon color, dark maroon. Next one is liquid lipstick in the shade Micro Cheating is the shade name. Sorry, Instagram Standing is the shade name, and $3.95 is the price. This is a dark brown color. It's darker than Micro Cheating that I showed. Now this one is My Glam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon. Now this is in the shade Terra, and the price is 695 rupees. This is a lip crayon which looks very good, and this is the color, a terracotta color basically. Love it. And the last one here is the Satin Matte Liquid Lipstick from Lit, My Glam Lit, and this is in the shade Pretty Little Liars, and the price is 495 rupees. So this is the packaging, and this is the shade, a purple shade. So inner and the eyeshadow, everything you will be getting just for 99. First you will have to purchase a free lipstick that is for 99 rupees by paying the shipping charge, and then you can use your referral code and win rewards and get this entire thing only by paying the shipping charge for 99 rupees. I will be providing the link of the survey in the description box. Please go and check it out and purchase your free lipstick by paying the shipping charge. And then so now what you will have to do to get all those free products is, first open your My Glam application, go to My Rewards, and here you will get to see all the people, the number of people that has purchased lipsticks from your link, that is using your referral code. And you can see that I have already used my 51 reward points, and 55 reward points is still in my balance, so I can use this whenever I feel like. So when you scroll down a bit, you are going to see all the rewards that are there. Like here you can invite 10 friends. If 10 of your friends purchase lipsticks from your link, then you will be getting a glow kit which is worth rupees 3285. Now you can claim it from here and then choose your products. Like here you can see I've already claimed the 50% invitees, and it has been redeemed, which I just showed it to you. All the lipsticks that has been that I have received. Now see 80, 100 and all these are still locked. This have not like I cannot claim this even now because my reward points is not so much. So now how do you have to share your link? You have to like you can share your link via Facebook or via WhatsApp or via messages. So if you want to share your link via WhatsApp, just click here and you can send your contacts. You can even go to more and you can copy the text and then share it with your friends. Now what will happen after you invite your friends, then your friends will claim the lipstick. And then that is also free lipstick. Your friend just have to pay a minimum shipping of 99 rupees. And then once their orders get delivered, you're going to be rewarded. Like your points are going to be added here. Once their product is delivered, your points will be added here, and like that you can claim the product. So here you can see as much as your friends purchase, the similar amount of gift you will be able to claim. Now these are all the products that I have claimed, but you can definitely choose the product according to your choice. Among a variety of options, you can choose whatever you like. So this is a very, very nice offer according to me. You can definitely try it out at least once if you want. You're not going to be disappointed, and it is not at all fake, guys. It is absolutely 100% true. And how to complete the survey? The link that you need to complete the survey has been provided in my description box. So you can just check the description box, click on the link and then go and purchase your free lipstick. and then start sharing with your friends to get all these lipsticks or whatever you want for free, just by paying a minimum of 99 rupees. Thank you so much, MyGlam. So once you click on the link that has been provided in the description box, you will have to get registered first. So you have to put on your mobile number first, and you can purchase it multiple times. Like once you have registered your mobile number, with that mobile number you cannot repurchase again a free lipstick for 99. You have to change the mobile number as well as the email ID. So after your registration happens with your phone number, your mail ID, your name and the referral code, you will get a survey which you have to complete it. So it's just a question answer part which you have to complete, and it is very easy. Like MyGlam just wants to know what your choice is. So therefore you have to complete the survey, and then you have to just click on get a free lipstick option, from where you're going to purchase. You're going to choose the lipstick that you want and then purchase it. Like you just have to pay a minimum shipping of 99, and that you have to pay online, not on cash on delivery, because cash on delivery it's not available below 199. So yeah, it's better if you do online payment, because that is absolutely not fake and it is completely safe. So yeah, that is the process of getting a 99 lipstick. And then you can start referring to your friends, and also you can again repurchase it if you want another color with another email and a different number that has not been registered yet. So hurry up, what you waiting for?